In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit business hours in Jobber. Keeping your business hours accurate in Jobber ensures clients know exactly when you're available and helps your team schedule work without conflicts. Let's walk through the process from start to finish, nice and easy. First, open your web browser and head to jobber.com, then access your account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the settings option, typically shown with a gear icon. Click it to open your account settings. Inside settings, go to company settings. This is where the core details about your business live, including your operating hours. Scroll down the page until you see the section labeled business hours. When you find it, click edit to start making changes. You'll now see fields for each day of the week. Begin by typing in the start time for the first day you want to set. Use the time format shown on the screen, whether that's a drop-down or a time picker, and be consistent with AM or PM. Next, type in the end time for that same day. Make sure the end time comes after the start time, and consider adding a little buffer if your team needs time to wrap up before closing. Repeat the same process for every day your business is open. You can mirror hours across multiple days if your schedule is consistent, or customize each day if your hours vary. Take a moment to review as you go to avoid small typos, like setting 7 a.m. instead of 7 p.m. If your business is closed on certain days, simply toggle that day off. When a day is toggled off, Jobber treats it as closed, which helps prevent bookings or tasks from being scheduled during that time. When you've entered all your times and you're happy with the setup, click Save. This applies your changes across your account so your team and clients see the correct availability. If you don't click Save, your updates won't stick, so it's worth double checking before you navigate away. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your hours aligned with how your team actually works in the field, and make sure the times reflect your local time. If you notice anything odd after saving, revisit the business hours section and confirm the details. That's it. Your business hours in Jobber are now updated. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to replay any part to follow along while you make your edits.